In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find page views on GA4 in just 5 minutes. Navigating Google Analytics. 4 can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the new layout and features, but worry not. I'm here to guide you through each step, making this process as seamless as possible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily locate your page view statistics, helping you better understand your website's performance. Let's dive in. Our journey begins at the home of all Google services, google.com. As you land on this page, your first task is to sign into your Google account. Look for the Sign In button typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your Google Analytics. Once selected, enter your password to move forward. Next, you're going to click Next to proceed after entering your password. This action verifies your credentials and brings you closer to accessing those sought-after analytics. Upon successfully signing in, you'll notice the Google Apps icon, represented by a small grid of squares, also located in the top right corner. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various Google services. Scroll through this collection until you find Google Analytics. It may be towards the bottom, so keep an eye out. Once spotted, click it. This action will transport you into the Google Analytics dashboard. Your next destination is the Reports section. Google Analytics 4 has streamlined the reporting process, aiming to provide a more intuitive user experience. You can access the Reports section either by navigating through the left sidebar, or sometimes through direct links provided within the dashboard. As we delve deeper, the Business Objectives drop-down menu is your next target. This section categorizes reports based on typical business goals such as acquisition, engagement, monetization, and retention. Click on it to expand your options. Inside the drop-down, look for and select User Engagement and Retention. This specific category focuses on how users interact with your site and how often they return. Vital indicators of your website's appeal and value to your audience. Now, to get even more gratified data, you will click on Pages and Screens within the same section. This reveals how individual pages or screens on your app perform, granting you insight into where users spend most of their time and what content resonates best. Finally, you arrive at the moment of truth. By selecting Pages and Screens, you'll be presented with a detailed report showcasing views by page path and screen class over time. This visual graph and accompanying data table give you a clear picture of how each page on your website attracts views over a specified period. The beauty of this report lies in its depth and flexibility. You can adjust the time frame, filter by specific pages, and even drill down to see how a particular blog post or product page has trended over time. It's an incredible tool for understanding your website's dynamics, observing trends, and making data-driven decisions to enhance your content strategy. A few tips as you navigate through this process. Remember to explore further than just the surface. GA4 offers a plethora of insights, with page views being just the beginning. Experiment with different filters and dimensions to uncover new perspectives on your data. And most importantly, approach your analytics with clear questions you want answers to. Whether it's which pages do my visitors love the most, or how has the introduction of a new feature affected user engagement? Having these questions in mind can guide your exploration and make your findings even more valuable. And there you have it, a step-by-step walkthrough on how to find page views on GA4 in just about 5 minutes. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of navigating through Google Analytics 4, these steps will become second nature. Use this knowledge to continually monitor your website's performance, understand your audience better, and optimize your content for greater engagement and retention. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and are now more comfortable maneuvering through GA4 to uncover valuable insights about your website's performance. Remember, the more you explore, the more you'll discover. So dive in and happy analyzing.